Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So as you know that in the last video, I had completed my visuals where users enter their ticket number and click on print or ticket button to know their respective ticket details. But due to error in our CSS code, I can't able to complete the same visuals. So first I will try to solve this and move to the next part. So here, come to here. Okay, here you can see I have provided print ticket top as a CSS class. Okay, which is a custom class. Copy it and paste it inside our print ticket.css file and provide an attribute called text align with the value center, and also one other class called print ticket top para. Copy these lines of code and paste it followed by dot, and inside which we will provide font size as a attribute with the value 30px. I think it would be better size for the size of the text. Save it and see the changes first. So as you can see, now our text and the heading both are coming as per our requirement. So now when the user clicks on the text box and provide ticket number and click on print your ticket button, he will be displayed ticket details. So for this, let's check first. Come to Sublime Text Editor, inside print ticket.php file, and provide a ticket number. Okay, this is ticket number 4. Okay, Control C, Control V, and click on print or ticket button, and as you can see, there is nothing is showing here. So there must be some error in our code. Okay, input type submit temp form method post. Okay, do one thing, I will be removing here input type, and instead of that I will provide button tag with the name attribute print ticket, and content will be print your ticket, and the rest thing will be deleted because no need to add all this. And another attribute with the class, another attribute class with the value BTN danger for the better visuals of our button. Now remove all the remaining useless code, save it. Okay, print ticket, come to our website, provide ticket number and click on print your ticket, and you can see there is 3 errors coming on our page. Undefined variable post, undefined variable ticket. So need to solve it. Okay, first let me check which is the line number that is showing 101 and 101 and 107. Okay, Yeah, it should be capital, man. We have made it small. So this is it. Again, do the same procedure, and again, and define variable post. Why? Okay. Sorry. My mistake. Now it is correct. And define array key ticket number. Why? And define array key ticket number. Let me check whether the name given by me inside input tag is correct or not. Ticket number is correct, man. Then why it is showing here? Ticket number. Define array key ticket number. Line 01. Okay, there is another error. Passenger mobile number online number 114. 114. Passenger mobile number correct. Index or variable. Array key. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I had removed my mistakes of programming and solved this issue of not showing our details because of undefined passenger mobile number, because I am fetching the details from database with the wrong index, because there is no index called passenger mobile number in our database. As you can see on the database, we have a column called passenger mobile only, not passenger mobile number, and we were fetching with the passenger mobile number index. So our PHP script giving error at runtime, and we have solved this issue also. So this is for fetching of details for the passenger number is equal to 4, that is 4 passengers sitting booking with a same ticket number. So this is it for this video. Thank you, and the next video onwards we will try to fetch the details for the 3 passengers and 2 passengers for the same ticket number. So to be continued in the next video. Stay tuned with us, and please like, subscribe and share my channel and hit the bell icons for the latest update. So thank you, bye bye.